Hello dear friends. Today we decorate a cake for a fan of the BTS group. His cake is not complicated at all, but it looks very impressive. The cake itself is my biscuit. Custard butter. Its diameter is 24 centimeters. Cover the cake with cream and smooth. Pictures printed on wafer paper. Image that will be on the side of the cake. We printed 9 centimeters high. Because I have a cake of the same height. Lettering length 13 centimeters. Height 4 centimeters. We cut the inscription so that it leaves about 1.5 to 2 millimeters on each side before reaching the letters. We cut out the hearts leaving an approximate millimeter, not reaching the picture. Add 1/3 of a teaspoon of CMC. To dry faster mastica. Apply inscription and cut out 2 parts. Coat 1 part with water. We pay special attention to the edges. First gently smooth with your hands. After we put a paper towel. And smooth with an iron. Cut out a congratulatory picture. And we're laying it out in the middle. And closer to the bottom of the cake. Apply a side picture. Smooth. Always pay special attention to the edges. Because they will be wrapped if they are not smoothed. Make a curb on top of the cake, small open star. With a nozzle, we plant balls along the contour of the pictures. Friends, if you liked this video, put likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. There are many interesting things ahead of you. See you soon.